SMS notification setup with Easy Form Builder and WP SMS plugin. To enable SMS notifications for your WordPress forms using Easy Form Builder and the WP SMS plugin by VeronaLabs, follow these steps. Step 1. Activate the SMS Service add-on. Go to the Add-ons page in Easy Form Builder and activate the SMS Service add-on. This will allow your forms to send SMS notifications. Step 2. Enable the WP SMS plugin. Install and activate the WP SMS plugin by VeronaLabs. Go to the Settings page in Easy Form Builder, open the SMS Configuration tab, and enable the option Use WP SMS plugin by VeronaLabs. Make sure you've configured your SMS gateway settings in the WP SMS plugin for successful delivery. Step 3. Add admin mobile numbers. In the same SMS Configuration tab, you'll see a field labeled Enter Admin Mobile Numbers. Add one or more admin phone numbers here. Just separate them using commas. Step 4. Enable SMS notifications in Form Settings. While creating or editing a form, go to Form Settings, SMS section. Enable SMS notifications. Enter the mobile numbers of admins who should receive notifications. You can enter multiple numbers separated by commas. Step 5. Customize SMS notification message. You can write a custom message that will be sent via SMS whenever a form is submitted. Use the following dynamic tags to personalize the message content. Confirmation code. Inserts a unique confirmation tracking code. Link response. Provides a direct link to view the response submitted. Link page. Inserts the URL of the page where the form is displayed. Link domain. Adds your website domain. Website name. Includes your website title in the message. Example SMS message. New form received on. Website name. Code. Confirmation code. View. Link response. Step 6. Send SMS to form submitters. To send SMS notifications to the person submitting the form, add a mobile input field to your form. Click the gear icon on the mobile field. Enable the option Send SMS to Form Submitter. Set country-based restrictions to limit allowed phone numbers and reduce costs. Step 7. Publish the form. After completing your form, click Save. Copy the shortcode. Paste it into any WordPress page, post, or widget to publish the form. Your form is now fully functional with SMS notifications for both admins and users.
If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.